Free as a Bird, written by Linda Johnson. Whistling in the howling wind, swaying feet are clapping. Gliding through dewy stalks appears reddish wings flapping. In the not-so-distant past, I once saw this bird caged. Neither chirping nor singing made me a bit enraged. As in life, we tend to shut down with not a single song to sing. Lyrical tongue twisted about like a hurricane in early spring. Whistling in the howling wind, I hear a river's swift stream roar, defeating fear and nightmares, allowing hopes and dreams to soar. Without a shadow of a doubt, my prayers have been heard. Life is taking leaps and bounds, reaching heights now free as a bird. End poem.